So alrighty, here's the construction site, which is pretty close to my home, and it's nothing like super special, but what you can see here at the back, you see this one here, and I didn't ask anybody, but I know that the parking lots will be there, and I'm pretty sure that it's the pre-installation for EV chargers. So if you ever wondered, and maybe I'm wrong if viewer has a different opinion, but I'm pretty sure that's where they have the power connection for EV chargers. So if you ever wonder how that looks like when they install these EV charging stations, so I'm pretty sure that's the way they do it. So, and yeah, it's all the way there in the back, and this is gonna be a parking lot. And these little, well, from my distance here, these like little black thingies, I am pretty sure these are charging stations, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at least. And since I know that we have the parking lots there, then there is no other explanation for me then. And they had a lot of utility work done here as well. So that's how it looks when they install these EV chargers. So alright, that's from a different angle, but you can see it's quite a big undertaking. But what you see here again in the back, these like black things, I'm pretty sure, as I said before, that's for EV chargers. If I'm wrong and somebody watches that, let me know what you think it is, but in my opinion, there is no other explanation for that.